Hello everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add Shopify store to Google Shopping. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So if you head over to your online store and preferences, we have some of the Google tools in here. Like for example, Google Analytics, we have Facebook Pixel, but we cannot see on Google Shopping. For that, you're going to be installing custom, you can say like apps. So head over to your app section and apps and sales channel. You can simply use the API to connect both of these, or you can develop the app for that, or you can use some integration. But directly as such of inside Shopify, there is no option to integrate both of these, but you can easily do it using your API key or heading over to Google Shopping and from its settings. So more on that in our later video, but that's the key aspect and point. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.